What's up, everybody? Today we will be making hamburger helper. Before we get into this video, make sure y'all give this a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe and comment down below. Okay, let's get into this video. Right now, I'm cooking the hamburger meat. I'm seasoning it up. I'm using seasoning salt, Lowry's, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper. Y'all, this is my first time making homemade hamburger helper. And let me tell you, it was the bomb.com. I'm adding chili powder also. It just it takes it up a notch for me. Like, it's hamburger meat, so it is delicious. Just try it, y'all. Whatever you see I'm doing, do it. So, as you see, that my hamburger meat is halfway done, but not all the way. So now I'm going to go in and add in my chopped onions. Y'all, I just love the taste, the flavor that the onions give the hamburgers. The meat. I didn't want my onions to get too soggy, so that's why I added it in at the end of me cooking my hamburger meat. Right here, I'm going to add in some garlic. You can add in as much garlic as you want. I think I added in probably a teaspoon. So that's all I had, to be honest. So now I'm going to mix everything together. Let it all marinate, come together all lovely. And y'all, I'm not going to strain my hamburger meat. And the reason being because it wasn't as much grease or whatever in the bottom of the pan. So just going to let some of it cook out like as is. Now I'm going to go in and add in my beef bouillon flavor, my paste. Y'all, if y'all don't know where to get that, you can get that from your local grocery store, Walmart, food outlet, Kroger's, anywhere. And I'm going to come in and add in 2 cups of water. Because, that beef bouillon can be salty. So we're going to add in that. And I'm using a bowl, y'all. A small bowl. Because I don't have a measuring cup. Now I'm going to come in and add in my tomato paste. To be honest, I put in a half a can of tomato paste. And you're going to see me in the middle of the video adding in some more. So it became a half a can. My spoon was too big, so I had to keep, digging in and getting it out. And you can mix as you go. Y'all, I don't know what the tomato paste do to it. I think it gives it the color and that flavor, that kick. But y'all, this is so good. You can also use the tomato paste in the tube. I just got this one because it was a little cheap. Hunt's is cheap anyway, so I decided to get that. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to add in 2 cups of whole milk. You can use heavy cream. You can use half and half. Whatever kind of milk that you want to use or prefer to use, you can do that. You can do it. You look at how it look now. It looks so good. I want to make some more, y'all. Yeah, and this recipe is even better the next day because it sits and all the flavors marinate together. I swear it's even better the next 2 days. I will be making some more of these. I promise you I will. So I'm just going to keep stirring this stuff. Mixing it all together. Right there, y'all, I was doing that to see if I needed to add any more milk or water in, and I did. So I added in a little more milk. So that was the whole 2 cups. That made the whole 2 cups of milk. Or depending on how many noodles y'all use and how much ground beef y'all use, you can add in more. You can. I'm adding in 3 tablespoons of sour cream, maybe 4 tablespoons of sour cream. And I'm adding in a half, maybe 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. And it's going to make it creamy and delicious, y'all. I swear. I wouldn't even lie to y'all. Y'all may hear my dog in the background. He's just trying to get out the room. Don't mind how it look right now, y'all. Y'all know how it is when you add stuff in. So now I'm adding in. This is Velveeta cheese. You don't have to use that if you don't want to, but I am. So I just took my spoon and I just cut off probably. I cut it off 3 or 4 times. It's tablespoons. 3 or 4 tablespoons. And I'm gonna let everything cook for about 20 minutes. Give my noodles time to cook. Give my liquor on my hamburger helper time to thicken, and my cheese time to melt. So 20 minutes, or however long it take you guys to cook y'all's. I have a smaller boiler, so I had a lot in that boiler, y'all. I had a lot. Now you see what I'm saying? Everything had to come together, had to thicken up, cheese had to melt. Now I'm adding in my shredded cheese, y'all. Shredded is mild cheddar. And I'm adding in probably a half a cup, or maybe, since I already got my Velveeta cheese in, I'm adding in just a handful of cheese, shredded cheese. Not much. Y'all, look at it. It looks so freaking good. Like, and I also came in, I added in onion powder, some more garlic powder, some more Lowry seasoned salt. I added in some more beef bouillon, just a half a teaspoon more. And some more black pepper. So the seasonings that I used in my ground beef, I came back and I added it more in my after I was finished. So y'all, please try this recipe. Let me know how it turns out. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, because I got more recipes. Also follow me on TikTok. I also be over there under Vibing with Tilda. I'll be doing mukbangs and cooking videos over there also.